Hello everyone, welcome back to JK Word. Today we are going to talk about the leak code number 1155, number of dice rolled with target sum. Here is the problem. You have n dice and each die has k faces numbered from 1 to k. Given three integers n, k, and target, return the number of possible ways to roll dice. So sum of the base of numbers equals target. In the first example, you see the n is 1, so we have only one chance to roll the die, and the k6, which is we have 6 faces numbered 1 to 6, and then target is 3. So this is obvious, there is only one way to get a sum of the 3. And the second one is a little more complicated, so we have two chances to roll dice, and each with the 6 faces, and the target is 7. So yeah, there's a 6 way to get a sum of the 7. So it matter of the order, so the first you get a 1, and the second time you get 6, and the total is 7, and the opposite way, the first time you get a 6, and the second time get a 1. Also, the way to get a sum of the 7. Let's see here. So the n is 2 and k6 and the target is 7. So first time the possible number you might get is 1 to 6, and then the second time if you roll, each time like 1, you could get 1 to 6. It's obvious, but which number make the sum equal to 7? It's just 6, so 7 minus 1. Seven minus 1. So it's 6. And then all the places the same. So the base case, you might notice that the n hit the last time, and then the sum has to become the target number. It means this is the way we could. This is one of the possible way, and then all the way we make a sum of the possible way is to make 6 is the value you're supposed to return. So how we get to that point? I just wanna make sure this is want you to, before we really jump into the problem, let's make 7, which is modular. So how many? 3, yes. So yeah, and then so from here, you might notice if you find that somewhere you don't want to do multiple times, you can make DP. So the first, second, or second time, and then target was the first time is 6, and then second time target must be like this. And then if you solve the problem, and then next time you don't have to calculate all the way down. So we needed some DP here. So I'm gonna write down. And then the base case, we talk about if the n is 0, there's no more chance to roll the die. So as no possibility. But what if there's no chance and then target is 0? It means it's the possible way we found it before. So yeah, return one way we just found it, and otherwise if way is 0 or target 0, so either one is 0 means there's no way we can make a sum equal to the target, so the way is a 0. And then for the DP, we're gonna make the key using the and how many times and then less of a target. So once we solve this, we're gonna edit key is answer, then answer obviously here. So the first, before we calculate, we should look into if we haven't solved this problem before. If so, then we're gonna return the value we found it. If not, we need to calculate. So calculate the whole ways. So the older possibility is how many we could get is that either let's say we have started 1, since the phase numbers is 1 to the k, so started 1 and then I is equal to k. I plus plus, and then so we're gonna work through each number and try to check all the possibility, and then here we're gonna add in one more condition. Since let's say the k is 6 but target is 3, then we don't have to check more than 3, which is like 4, 5, 6, since there's no way. So we could also check I is smaller than target, and then here it's obvious the total is n plus, so we're gonna recursive call this one again. So we already rolled one time, so we minus 1 from the n, and then the phase is always same, and then target what we got, which is the I. So we got the I, so we subtract. And then the number may be too large, so we have to modulate. So once we found all the total, we added the value in the DP and then return the value. Let's check Richard. There we go. There we go. So here's the answer. If you have any questions, please leave the comment down below and see you next time.